welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love to sew. If that's something that you're into, like, comment, and watch some of my other videos and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, what's up? What are you sewing? Have you sewn a coat yet? Now to get started. I am all over the place mentally, so help me get back to earth and kind of wind down a little bit. You know what I mean? So what I'm currently working on is still the Simplicity 1441. And this penguin, you guys, is just busting my butt. And it's big. It's a big penguin. I mean, it looks big in the picture, but, you know, like the penguin right here, and then look at the butterfly. And I'm sewing it out of complete scraps, and it's going okay. I'm having a little trouble with it, but I'm enjoying it somewhat. The next thing that I went ahead and I'm going to work on is the Simplicity 3584. I need to sew my son his little PJs. It's getting colder and colder. This was also in my plans for last month, but I didn't get a chance to do it, so we'll see if I'll get it done this month. The next thing that I wanted to go ahead and show you is this. So I finally went to Walmart and I bought the 2 yards of fabric for $2 because I want to go ahead and sew the Macau's M7610. I want these joggers. I always wear my same gray joggers, and I have 2 pairs of joggers and I wear them all the time. I love them, and it's time for me to get another pair so that I can go ahead and rock it as well. The next thing that I want to show you is some fabric that I'm going to be doing for a collaboration. Yes, me. I am doing my first collaboration, and I'm not gonna say with who, but I'm very excited. It's going to be with both of these fabrics. So this is like it's a gold, this is a gold sequins fabric, and this is a gold, I'll put the name up here. I have a picture of the name. I just can't remember it, but it's right up here. And it's so pretty and it feels so soft. The only thing I'm worried about is that this one is not stretchy. So this one is very stretchy. So I'll have to figure that out and make sure that just the pattern that I'm using works, because it's a collaboration. I'm excited. The next pattern that I really want to sew this month is actually Simplicity 1563, and this pattern is part of Sew Your View this month. Last month was the first time that I joined the Sew Your View hashtag on Instagram, and I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed how every day there's either inspiration pictures, there's new methods or new ways or tips of using this pattern, and I'm excited to see how it works because I do want to sew View E for sure, and probably View C. I don't know about View D. I don't like sleeping in pajama bottoms. I like sleeping in shorts. I like moving and stuff, and I don't like additional fabric when I'm sleeping. So we'll see. But I know for sure I want to sew the shorts, the top, and I don't want a robe. That's not something I want, but who knows, you know, maybe I'll change my mind after I see some inspiration pictures. Ooh, I also picked up this Mimi G style pattern, the Simplicity S9052. I want to sew this jacket so bad, but I don't know, you know, I've never made a jacket like this with all these details, and I'm not afraid of it. I just want to make sure that I make a full-on muslin, a full-on wearable muslin, and yeah, and I don't know, maybe I'll make it out of denim or sweatshirt fleece. I don't want to make it out of fleece. Who knows what I will do. You know, but it's super cute and I can't wait to wear it. The last thing that I purchased this past week, I bought these things at Hobby Lobby though, because Hobby Lobby had the $1.99 Simplicity pattern sale. So that's why I went to Hobby Lobby. And also all their fabrics were 40% off. And I purchased this upholstery fabric. It's not meant for clothes, but I couldn't walk away from it. Every single time that I have gone to Hobby Lobby these past few weeks, I have seen this fabric and oh my gosh, I love it so much. The downside is that it is upholstery fabric, but I mean, I'll figure it out. I have some pattern ideas that I might be able to make out of it, but it's so cute. It says like, what's for lunch? It says like, yum yum. It has all these like food trucks. It's cute. I couldn't say no to it, and then it was finally on sale for $4 a yard, and I got 2 yards. I don't think I got enough fabric to work with, so I might go back and get 2 more yards if it's still on sale and if they still have some. But this is just so cute. And here are some pattern ideas that I have for it. I mean, I could make the Simplicity pattern by Mimi G, this one. But I feel like I've made this. I made the top already twice. You know, I haven't made the skirt. Maybe I should, but I don't know. I could also make this like old school one, and it's the Simplicity 84.95, and I could make like something like that, or like this one. Maybe I could make this one, you know, because it's upholstery, so something light, you know. Maybe I could make like a pair of shorts, but I don't really want to make another pair of shorts. Maybe I could use the Simplicity 8014 and I can go ahead and do view B. But I don't know. How many yards do you need for view B for my size? I need 3 5/8, so I need a little bit over 3 yards to make view B. I don't think I'll be able to pull it off with 2. Or I could make this one again, and it's the Simplicity S 8889 by Mimi G. I wasn't fond of it at first, but it's grown on me a little bit. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think I should make with this? I actually really think I should make the overalls. The little, something like that, with a belt. That would actually look really, really cute. Let me know. But that's basically all I have to show you this week. I haven't made anything. I'm taking it slow. I don't know. Oh yeah, I finished sewing or quilting the snowman, and I'll be showing you him in a few days, because I am also going to show you the darning foot that I used for my machine to quilt the top of it. I am mostly excited this month for my collaboration just because my outfit is gonna be fire. It's gonna be so bomb. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine me just glistening in gold? Alright, I'll stop. Thank you so much for watching. You can always go ahead and follow me on Snapchat, TikTok.
Salagadoola, metchigaboola, bibbidi-bobbidi. Boo.
TikTok is fun. Check it out. And also Instagram at SolocaMelissa. And yeah, let me know your thoughts, plans. What are you doing for Christmas? I don't know. Don't forget to make it a great day, week, and month so you can make this year memorable. Bye.